Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 23rd, 27th, actually. The month is almost over. Today's on a Thursday, tomorrow, Friday. Then, as we come up to next week, we're going to be in a new month, April. Let's check. What do we have? This is what we are looking for. Buys above 30 to 27, and we got them all the way to take profit one. Very good. Also, the sales, we did get sales below 30.13 over here. And we pushed all the way to take profit 130.005, 3005 over there, and then went back up. So, congratulations to everybody that got this trade. Let's see what we have today. What do we have? Today's on a Thursday. We have the GDP on the USD at 330 and the unemployment claims. Okay. So, we'll be having the GDP and the unemployment claims happening at 330. All right. Let's see. Let's keep an eye. Let me remove everything. Let's do a fresh new analysis. Like we always do, price action, market structure. Gonna be looking at support and resistance. We're trading breakouts over here. So that remains still the monthly low or the monthly resistance. The most immediate monthly resistance still stands at the one stands at right now we are in March, April, Feb, January. Still stands at the January low. For a high, the current candle is still active, so it's gonna be ending on Monday. We'll see how it closes. We'll see. So over here, weekly, we have this last week's candle was a bit higher than this week's candle. So far, how these weeks has behaved. So we will use last week's candle as the high point, and then we'll use this candle as the low point on a weekly. So weekly support, weekly resistance over here. Daily, onto the daily time frame, we're gonna be using this as the daily low over here. Gonna be using that as the daily low, daily high over there, still the same point. On to the what we call the 4 hours. So I'm gonna just mark these areas, not because I'm marking just them because I would like to know how the market behaves after this. There we go. All right, I'm just marking them. All right, so we're on 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. We're looking at resistance level over here, right over there. Right? We see where the market is right now? The market is seated on a 4 hour resistance over there. It's actually knocking onto a 4 hour resistance. In terms of the support, we're down here. Again, we identify support and resistance by asking yourself, what is the most immediate place where when the market starts moving either up or down, it could have some possible valid rejections. See, that's how you ask yourself. That's how you identify a support and resistance level. So 1 hour, these are support level over here. We also have, I wanted to go to specifically on 30 minutes. Why? Because I want to identify this area. I want to identify this area over here. And when I do that, I'll have to move this up here and say that, yes. So I've done that because I want to know above this wick over there and up to this point over here, sorry, right over there. Okay. Yeah. So that's where we are right now. Well, that's where we are right now. We're above that point. So I'm gonna be having potential buys about this area. Above the 30, 38. Not 28, 30, 38. See above 30, 38 area over here. And we're gonna go to take profit 1 and 2. All right, there we go. On to the selling side, potential sells below this point. Below 30-30. Below 30-30 over here. And this one short position. Gonna expect, at least looking forward, for the market to do something like this. Should we have more pressures to go down, it's nothing. We don't discount any move. We have more pressure to go down, we go all the way down. Told you, the thing is, Forex, 85% is waiting. Patience, 85%. So you gonna need to be very good at your analysis so that the 15% that you have to trade, you trade something great, because there's no need for you to wait for the market for 80 that long, for all that long, and then do a bad trade. Okay, so we're going to be waiting. Should we get the buy above this 2038, I'm in for buys. Sell below this point, I'm in for sells. So let's see how the market will be behaving today. So that's the final 1 hour view. Buys, sells, take profit 1, 2, 3 over here. All right, let's see how that market behaves. Again, we have the GDP in the evening and unemployment claims, and hopefully everything goes well. Risk manage your trades very well. Please don't risk what you can't afford to trade, as well as trade what you see, not what you think. All right, guys, take care and have a good one, and bye bye. Happy hunting.